When you come to Jamaica, you come to White River, you know?
Sir, can I touch one?
Yeah, man, no problem.
Oh, these are dead. How much fish do you catch a day?
Sometimes I've been really clean sometime.
A lot.
A lot, yeah. I don't work one
Have
way.
you ever seen any sharks in these waters?
Yeah, man, shark out there, but you know, plenty like that, you know?
Yeah. And there's a lot of turtles.
Yeah, well,
I always see turtles out here.
Yeah. Nice one.
Here it is. You look close to here? So you don't come and swim. Oh, you live in Exchange? I know people in Exchange.
Really?
Yeah. Do you know Bradley?
Right
Yeah.
from where you live? In the mega street?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's my bestie.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you know Jamar and Jaquan?
Almost 11. Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Dave.
Dave. I'm gonna tell them I met Dave.
Yeah, man. I live in Mega Street, you know?
Yeah. What kind of fish is this one? This is so. Oh!
I ain't okay now. That's a grunt.
What kind of fish is this?
That grunt.
What if I hold on to him tight and put him in the water?
Get that earth to my way. I ain't not dead. You ain't young the pot, you know?
Yeah.
But
Why would God make a fish so ugly?
that's it, stone.
Why is it so ugly?
Yeah, the rock stone.
It does.
The nice stone.
Hi.
Yeah. This is the White River, you know? Famous river.
Let's post Jamaica. Right, Dave?
Yeah.
Say something to the people, then.
When you come to Jamaica, you come to White River, you know?
Of course.
White River is the greatest river in Jamaica.
The greatest river in Jamaica.
Fresh, ultimate